We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Xu Wenming is a Hakka who fell in love with the Lukai tribe princess and with her people too. He married her and moved into the tribe, and through this, started working for their civil rights and promoting Lukai culture. He opened a classroom for arts and crafts and has promoted products like the first tribal doll, dark skin, wide-eyed, and dressed in traditional costume island-wide. His latest idea is ceramic tiles patterned with Lukai tattoos. He believes that his arts center will be a crucible for tribal artists and craftsmen and has the imagination to sell their products nationally. His wife emphasizes to their children that not only are they Lukai, but Hakka too, and takes care to show respect for her husband's Hakka traditions as much as he does for the Lukai. Welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Hey, Joseph Lin. And I'm very hungry again because I love food, all sorts of food, especially Asian food is really tasty. 其实亚洲有很多料理非常好吃哦。So how would you say these cuisines, these Asian cuisines, from Taiwanese cuisine to Japanese to Korean to Thai food? Let's try to learn that here on our Hakka lesson of the day.
台灣料理，
台灣料理，这第一次教台湾怎么说？台湾用哈卡讲就是
台灣，
台灣有一点 V 的声音在里面。台灣 ，OK， 台灣 that's Taiwanese 料理 that's cuisine, so Taiwanese cuisine. How about Japanese cuisine?
日本料理，
日本料理。Okay. How about Korean food?
韓國料理，
很贵的料理吗？
咩啦？
韩国料理其实还好
韓國
很贵啊。
咩很？
哦，韩國很貴，
韓國料理
That's Korean food. Sounds like expensive food for some reason.
泰國料理
That's Thai food. 泰國料理也是很貴，太貴，
太貴
又很貴又太貴。Alice， 你很有錢，都是上那種上等的小館子哦。So there you have it. Okay, let's review that.
台灣料理，
Taiwanese cuisine. How about Japanese cuisine?
日本料理，韓國料理，
Korean food.
泰國料理。
Okay, well that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
什麼大家？
俺只say張偉了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.